Best Places to Visit in Brazil. Hello, travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of the 10 best places to visit in Brazil. From the vibrant cities to the breathtaking natural wonders, Brazil has something for every traveler. So, grab your passports and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel videos. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Rio de Janeiro. Rio de Janeiro, often dubbed as the Marvelous City, is a vibrant metropolis nestled between lush mountains and the sparkling waters of the Atlantic Ocean. The city is home to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, standing tall atop the Corcovado mountain, offering panoramic views of the sprawling urban landscape below. Rio is also famous for its world-famous carnival, a dazzling extravaganza of samba music, colorful costumes, and lively parades that captivate visitors from around the globe. The city's golden sandy beaches, including the renowned Copacabana and Ipanema, are a paradise for sun-seekers and water enthusiasts. Beyond the beaches, Rio de Janeiro boasts a rich cultural heritage, evident in its historic neighborhoods like Santa Teresa and Lapa, where colonial architecture meets contemporary art scenes. Number 2. Iguazu Falls. Iguazu Falls, a natural wonder shared between Brazil and Argentina, is a spectacle of awe-inspiring beauty that leaves visitors breathless. Located amidst the lush rainforests of the bordering countries, these magnificent waterfalls consist of 275 individual falls stretched over nearly 2 miles, making it one of the largest and most spectacular waterfall systems in the world. The sheer power and grandeur of Iguazu Falls are best experienced up close, where visitors can feel the mist on their skin and hear the thunderous roar of the cascading water. The most iconic among these falls is the Devil's Throat, a U-shaped cascade where the majority of the Iguazu River's water thunders down from a staggering height. Standing on the viewing platforms, visitors are treated to a mesmerizing display of nature's might and beauty. Surrounded by a thriving ecosystem, Iguazu Falls is not only a visual delight but also a haven for biodiversity. The surrounding rainforest is home to diverse flora and fauna, including exotic birds, butterflies, and unique plant species. Number 3. The Amazon Rainforest. The Amazon Rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, is a vast and ecologically diverse region that spans 9 countries in South America, with the majority of its expanse located in Brazil. Covering approximately 5.5 million square kilometers, it is the largest tropical rainforest on the planet and is home to an unparalleled array of plant and animal species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. This incredible ecosystem is characterized by its dense canopy of trees, mighty rivers, and a rich tapestry of biodiversity. The Amazon rainforest is often associated with the Amazon River, the second longest river in the world, which winds its way through the heart of the rainforest, sustaining life along its course. However, the Amazon rainforest is facing significant challenges due to deforestation, climate change, and other human activities. Conservation efforts and sustainable practices are crucial to preserving this vital ecosystem for future generations. Number 4. Salvador. Salvador, the vibrant capital of the state of Bahia in northeastern Brazil, is a city steeped in history, culture, and Afro-Brazilian heritage. Known for its rich blend of African, Portuguese, and indigenous influences, Salvador offers a unique and captivating experience to visitors. One of the city's most remarkable features is its well-preserved colonial architecture, evident in the colorful buildings of the Pelourinho district. The Pelourinho district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is not just an architectural gem but also a cultural hub where visitors can immerse themselves in traditional music, dance, and art performances. Salvador is renowned for its exuberant carnival, one of the largest and most spirited in the world. In addition to its cultural attractions, Salvador boasts beautiful beaches, such as Porto de Barra and Flamengo Beach, where visitors can relax under the sun and enjoy the warm waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Number 5. The Pantanal Wetlands. The Pantanal, the world's largest tropical wetland area, is a natural wonder nestled primarily in Brazil, with smaller portions extending into Bolivia and Paraguay. Spanning over 140,000 square kilometers, this vast wetland ecosystem is renowned for its incredible biodiversity and unique landscapes, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and wildlife photographers. What sets the Pantanal apart is its seasonal flooding pattern. During the wet season, from November to March, the region experiences heavy rainfall, causing rivers to overflow and creating a mosaic of lagoons, lakes, and swamps. This inundation transforms the Pantanal into a haven for aquatic life and migratory birds, attracting a staggering variety of species. The Pantanal is a wildlife lover's dream, offering opportunities to spot jaguars, capybaras, giant otters, caimans, and over 650 species of birds, including colorful macaws and herons. The wetlands also support a diverse array of plant life, creating a rich and complex ecosystem. Visitors to the Pantanal can embark on guided safaris, boat tours, and hiking expeditions to observe wildlife in their natural habitats. Number 6. Fernando de Noronha. Fernando de Noronha, an enchanting archipelago located off the northeast coast of Brazil, is a tropical paradise that boasts unparalleled natural beauty and pristine beaches. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this remote destination is renowned for its crystal-clear turquoise waters, thriving marine life, and breathtaking landscapes, making it a haven for beach lovers, divers, and eco-travelers. The archipelago comprises 21 islands and islets, each more stunning than the last. Its beaches, such as Baía do Sancho and Praia do Leão, consistently rank among the world's best, with powdery white sand and vibrant coral reefs. The archipelago also serves as a nesting site for various seabird species, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. Visitors can observe frigate birds, boobies, and albatrosses in their natural habitat, adding to the area's ecological richness. Number 7. Brazilia. Brazilia, the capital city of Brazil, is a masterpiece of modernist architecture and urban planning. Unlike many other major cities, Brazilia was purposefully constructed in the late 1950s with the vision of becoming the country's political and administrative center. Designed by the renowned architect Oscar Niemeyer and urban planner Lucio Costa, the city's layout and buildings are a testament to their innovative and futuristic concepts. At the heart of Brazilia lies the Plano Piloto, the city's central area, which is characterized by its unique layout shaped like an airplane. The focal point of this design is the Three Powers Plaza, Praça dos Três Poderes, where the buildings housing the executive, legislative, and judicial branches of the government are located. The Palácio do Planalto, the official workplace of the president, and the National Congress, a striking structure shaped like two hemispheres, are iconic landmarks that reflect the city's architectural brilliance. In addition to its government buildings and architectural marvels, Brazilia offers a vibrant cultural scene. Brazilia stands as a testament to Brazil's modernity and progress, making it a fascinating destination for architecture enthusiasts, history buffs, and anyone interested in experiencing a city that defies traditional urban norms. Number 8. Manaus. Manaus, the capital city of the state of Amazonas in Brazil, is a vibrant metropolis located in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Nestled at the confluence of the Rio Negro and the Solimões River, Manaus is not only a gateway to the lush and diverse Amazon jungle but also a city rich in culture, history, and natural beauty. One of the city's most iconic landmarks is the Amazon Theater, Teatro Amazonas, a magnificent opera house that dates back to the late 19th century. Manaus is also known for its bustling markets, such as the Mercado Adolfo Lisboa, where locals and tourists alike gather to shop for fresh produce, handicrafts, and regional delicacies. For nature enthusiasts, Manaus serves as a base for exploring the Amazon rainforest. Travelers can embark on boat tours along the Amazon River, venture deep into the jungle on guided excursions, and encounter diverse wildlife, including monkeys, birds, and rare plant species. Number 9. Parde. Parde, a charming colonial town located on the Costa Verde of Brazil, is a picturesque gem that transports visitors back in time with its cobblestone streets, well-preserved Portuguese colonial architecture, and tranquil coastal ambience. The town's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a maze of narrow streets lined with colorful colonial-era buildings, many of which have been transformed into boutique shops, art galleries, cozy cafes, and restaurants. Parde's natural surroundings are equally captivating. The region is dotted with pristine beaches, secluded coves, and lush rainforest trails waiting to be explored. Visitors can take boat tours to nearby islands, swim in crystal-clear waters, and enjoy water sports like snorkeling and kayaking. The nearby Parde Bay is a paradise for sailors and those seeking calm waters for recreational activities. The town is also a gateway to the Serra da Bocaina National Park, where adventurous travelers can embark on hiking trails leading to stunning waterfalls, natural pools, and panoramic viewpoints. The lush rainforest teems with diverse wildlife and provides an immersive experience for nature enthusiasts. Number 10. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park. Lençóis Maranhenses National Park, located in the northeastern region of Brazil, is a mesmerizing natural wonder characterized by its vast sand dunes, crystal-clear lagoons, and stunning landscapes. This unique and surreal destination offers visitors an experience unlike any other, making it a must-visit for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers. The park's most distinctive feature is its extensive sand dunes, which stretch for miles and create a breathtaking panorama of rolling white hills against the vivid blue sky. During the rainy season, from January to June, rainwater collects in the low-lying areas between the dunes, forming thousands of turquoise lagoons. These temporary lagoons create a striking contrast against the white sand, resembling a series of interconnected, jewel-toned mirrors. Exploring Lençóis Maranhenses feels like stepping into a dreamlike oasis. Visitors can hike across the dunes, appreciating the vastness of the landscape and the ever-changing patterns created by the wind. The park is also home to diverse flora and fauna, including unique plant species adapted to the harsh desert environment. Birdwatchers can spot various avian species, adding to the park's natural charm. Guided tours and excursions are available for visitors, allowing them to explore the park safely and learn about its ecology and geology. And there you have it, fellow travelers. The 10 best places to visit in Brazil. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, Brazil has it all. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. If you have any favorite destinations in Brazil, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Until next time, happy travels!